Welcome back friends. Today I am going to share you information about CBC analyzer, or we can say that hematology analyzer. That analyzer is from Erba company, and that is 5-part analyzer, almost latest analyzer, and the name is, as you can see, that H560. So today I will show you that what are the functions of this analyzer and how we can use, but working we will see in next video. Today just I will give you information about the machine. Now this is the full view of Erba H560 analyzer, and that is 5-part. This is the down is the sample probe area. If you will see the left side, in the left side there is a door. When we will open this door, we will keep two reagents, lyse 2 and lyse 1. Lyse 1 is almost 200 liter and lyse 1 is 500 liter, and there is diluent, that is 20 liter diluent we will use. And right side, the functioning of the machine means probe will take the sample and sample processing will done in this area. So left side was the reagent area and right side is the machine's working area, and power off on button is on the back side of the machine. So first of all, what are the functions, or what are the we can say that sections available in this machine? That is sample analysis, review, QC, reagent, add diluent, calibration, setup, and service. Now we will see one by one each section. So first of all, the sample analysis. In sample analysis, we will enter the data and we will process the sample, and we will get the result in sample analysis. What are the parameters in 5-part? As you can see that first of all is WBC, white blood cell count, and in 5-part, as you know that why it is different from 3-part, because in 5-part we are getting data of all WBCs. As you saw that neutrophil, lymphocyte, monocyte, eosinophil, basophil. So not only in percentage but only in absolute also we will get the values. So in sample analysis, what we will enter the data or file number in sample ID, and we have to choose the mode, means our sample is whole blood, capillary blood, or pre-dilute blood, and we need only CBC or we need CBC plus differential. Then we will choose the data and we will make the OK, and after that in pre-entry option we can add other all details of the patient, like first name, last name, patient type, patient ID, gender, age, and sample type, either means like it's venous blood, and what blood department, from which department you receive, area, bed number, sample time, delivery time, and if there is any special information or remarks you can add that also. So these are the pre-entry information, depends on your protocols, what are informations you need you can enter. So and we will run the sample. In review, what means it is like the database, means what samples we run, the information will come in the review. We can select any one sample or any one ID, and we can just click on the sample information and we can get the results. Even from sample analysis screen also, we can go from previous, next, or directly, means no need to go on review option. Also from sample analysis also we can just check the information. So third one is the most important of any analyzer, that is quality control, means how our machine is working. As we know that there are three controls that we will use: low level, normal level, and high level. So according to that, in QC section there are four options: QC setting, QC analysis, QC graph, and QC table. In QC settings we will choose the option new, and we can add our control, mean lot number, what expiry, and what are the QC mode, means we need CBC plus differential. And in that we will add the values. In QC analysis we can check our values, what values we entered. And from when we will run the QC, in QC graph we can see the graph result, that how is our result. This QC graph is set according to 2 SD, but you can set according to 3 SD. And in last option QC table, the whatever we run the patient sorry we run the control, that results will come in QC table also, in value form, and in graph we will see the graph. And the graph is LJ graph, and rules will apply Westcard rules on that graph. So in QC, like that, you can choose the 2 3 option, and in that option already we entered that QC1 is low, QC2 is normal, QC3 is high, and according to that we can check our graph. Next option is reagent options. Now as you can see that, as I told, there are three reagents: diluent, lyse, and lyse 1 and lyse 2. So the machine, there is card coming with the machine, sorry, with the reagents. With that card we will read the just like barcode card, that is like Wi-Fi card, that will come with the reagent. I will show you, and we will attach or scan with this logo. Let's see the like Wi-Fi logo, or you can say that Bluetooth logo or whatever, that logo we can attach with that, and the machine will read the card, and that all information it will come in machine. So you no need to make any paper or anything, just you can go into the data and you can see the sorry, you can go in reagent option and you can see the now unopened expiry date also came. And period after opening, means the reagent stability period is 60 days. Then open container, when we enter the card in machine, automatically it will record the date of opening, so opening date, and according to stability reagent expiry date also will come. And in the last option, residue volume, means how much we will use the reagent, that volume will come. Next option is add diluent. Add diluent option I will not click. This need if sample came in very less quantity, like children quantity, that time we will attach and we will keep the sample in probe, and probe will add the diluent. And then we will go in sample analysis mode, and we will select the option pre-dilute, and that time we will run the sample. Next was the calibration, that is by engineers. And in setup machine, in setup option, the what are the options available, that is general information for us. If any important, that is region setting, in that we can enter the date and time. These things for us needed. Other all options mostly used by the company service engineers. And last one is service, that also uh, will use by the engineers. And one more thing, in sorry I forget to tell you, in setup, that is maintenance option. So from maintenance we will do the service of the machine, that I will show you later when I will do the working, when I will show you the working, that how we will run the sample, how we will enter this data. That time I will show you the maintenance also, that how we will do the maintenance of this machine. But what are the sections available? What are the reagents available? I hope you understand the concept of Erba H 560 analyzer. I will meet you with new in video as soon as possible. Until that, take care.